So there have been some questions recently in the group about what comes out of the tailpipe, the exhaust pipe of the Toyota Tacoma on a cold start, specifically white smoke. So we're going to start mine up. It's a cold start for as cold as it gets here in South Texas. Temperatures in the 40s. So we'll put you down by the exhaust pipe, start it up, see what comes out of mine. I'm curious too. Okay, there you go. You can see what comes out. I haven't actually seen it myself yet, so I don't really know. But I think my truck is normal. So if yours looks like what that looked like, and I can't wait to watch it back myself, I would say it's normal.